Hello everyone, in this video let us learn how we can change the look and feel of Jira Core on cloud. So when you set up your Jira Core for the very first time, you must be wondering whether it is possible to do some customizations on the UI. What if you want to change your logo, or maybe you want to change the color? Well, if you're using cloud, there are some possibilities when you want to have your own logo. So let us learn how we can do that. So when you are logged into your Jira instance, what you can do, you can press the full stop key on your keyboard, and you can type in look and feel. So you can use this to basically reach this section called look and feel, or you can go to your Jira settings. So when we are using Jira Core or Jira instance on cloud, you have the option to go to Jira settings, which you can find when you are looking at the sidebar of your Jira instance. And to expand the sidebar, you can use this icon here, or you can also use a shortcut. So if you click on the icon, this small icon on the top left corner, you can then find this option to go to Jira settings, and then you can further go to the system under Jira settings, and if you scroll down further, you will find this user interface section where you have this option to change the look and feel. Now let us do a few things that we can probably change. So the first thing that I want to change is the logo. So you can upload your own logo if you want to have your own logo, maybe with your own custom background, or I recommend use a PNG file that looks slightly better. No, it looks better. So prefer if you have a PNG file with a transparency, because you can set the background using another option below. So I can upload a file, or I can also just provide the URL of the logo or any image that you have, and you can click on the button called upload logo. So when you click on the button, the logo will be copied from this URL, and it will be used on the instance of Jira. So now you can see here that my logo is now reflecting here, and it looks really good. One thing which I want to change now is I want to change this background from blue to something else. So you can of course change the background, and by the way, you also have the option to change the favicon if you want. And for this particular video, I just want to change the sidebar color. Now I can use this hexadecimal code here, or I can use this pop-up to basically select the color using this color picker pop-up, and I can use my own color. If I want to have something like purple or maybe green, I can select it here. So let us do something like this, and if I click on update button, the color will be applied on my Jira instance, and if I do a refresh of my page, my color is now reflected and it looks good. So you can do these small changes like uploading your own logo, uploading your own favicon, which is displayed in your browser tab, and you can also change the background color. There are a few more things that you can do here that is actually good. You can change the date and time format. So it is up to you. If you want to have, let us say, date displayed in a specific format, you can change it under the look and feel section of your Jira Cloud. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you learned something new today. And in case you are watching this video for the very first time, these are the videos that I'm creating for Jira Cloud. So in case you want to learn Jira Cloud and you're not really sure how it will work for you, you can follow my series from the beginning. I have a playlist where I'm only focused on Jira Cloud, and the objective of my video series on Jira Cloud is basically to help you in understanding how Jira works, how you can use it, and at the same time I will cover the customization and Jira administration aspects on Jira Cloud. So this is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you very much.